This is the Gamakay Lk67 keyboard kit. The one you see up here is a pre-built version. In this case, I'm going to add my own switches and also my very own keycaps. This is the transparent model. I did order light green, but they either sent me dark green or black. Can't really tell right now, but it does look like a shade of green. That's what it looks like with the RGB. Now, because there are no buttons or keycaps yet, I cannot change it, but it does look pretty good. It's a very nice keyboard, hence why I bought another one to build my very own. In the box you get the Type-C cable, keycap puller, switch puller, and your USB dongle for your wireless. I think this is a great option for any beginner wanting to build their very own first keyboard. So if you're looking for one to build, consider the Gamakay